Holy fuck, dude, those ricochets. Holy shit.
Ooh,
Ooh.
someone started with a shroud.
The fuck up, Sean.
I want to hear.
Among Us. What?
Among
Among Us.
Us.
Among Us.
So,
Killer, or do I still have to buy them?
It's off.
Well, that's shit ass.
well, I just won the coin flip. Okay, guys, BTS Jungkook here.
Oh shit, it's Jungkook.
BTS. Yo, stand my guys, stand BTS, yo.
Oh, look at that. We're hiding behind objects. He's useless.
Who is this, y'all? I'm gonna fuck you up, boy. Oh wait, it was you. That's kinda. Hey, yo, fuck, you ain't watching no concert.
Holy shit, dude. What fucking...
I'm gonna fuck you up. Ricochet. Oh, you.
Dude, holy shit.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You want to saying? You want to saying? Okay, I'm going this. Bye bye.
Yo, what the fuck?
Come here with a BDS meal. Whoever's doing this gen, I'm actually gonna find you later. Oh yeah, your friend's down. You might want to go revive him or something.
Yes, please.
Is it Alex? Fuck that guy. What a twat.
No, it's a random.
Oh. Interesting.
Someone out here reading books. Whoever tried to flashbang me just then, I'm gonna fucking kill you. Oh, it was this person. Okay. First hook, guys. First hook of the century. You know what I'm saying? Whoever sabotaged that, I will find you.
Holy fuck, dude, those ricochets. Holy shit.
I'm about to kill you, bitch.
That's fucking machine gunning.
Where did you go? Where'd you go? Hell no, I just heard some shit. Wait, no, you went backwards.
Ah!
I knew you were there. Where'd you go? You motherfucker.
Ah!
Beep 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 beep. Don't do it. Okay, down here then. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Where we going? Where we going? Where we going? Right. No. No.
Holy fuck, that ricochet like final event, dude.
This is
that
my
was
favorite
insane.
build. My favorite build.
In the video,
Oh, who the fuck just unhooked and did a gen?
the ricochet.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Yo, man, please, man.
This one right here. Someone really pissing me off right now. Someone really trying some shit.
Well, actually, scariest killer.
I know, like legitimate. Like I was trying to do sneaky mice shit, but he's literally scarier than me.
Terrifying. He's like, someone's pissing me off.
Instead,
I know, and
hello?
dude, this fucking map.
You're here. I'm gonna find you, motherfucker.
What?
That's terrible.
Wait, what hook are you on? Oh, this is second.
Second, yeah. Man, you use holy shit. I literally hope I never have to go against this in RPD, like in a proper game.
This is
Wait,
my
this is so
favorite.
funny.
This is my favorite.
Too.
Sorry?
I was gonna say this is so funny 'cause it's his favorite map as well.
Yeah, literally. If we got Haddonfield.
We got nah, we ain't going Haddonfield. That sucks.
Oh shit, they're here.
You better run. You better run. Better run, boy. I'll find you. I'll find you. Yeah, where did Matt go? Where did he go? I lost him actually. Just kidding. I don't know where you were. Where did he go? I wonder where.
Bro, did you not see me juke you?
Yeah, I didn't see that either, man. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, this way?
Okay.
No.
Don't be that guy.
I'm sorry. I had to do it. I'll
Where
leave you
did
here. I'll just leave you here. Oh, really? And that's no cap. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, that place.
I can't revive myself, can I?
Fuck, that is so fucking
Just run
terrifying.
around a fucking object, Alex. He can't hit you.
Yeah,
Really, Matt?
yeah,
Really?
Just
Really?
run around an object, man. You can't hit me.
Really?
You know what I'm
Matt,
saying?
wait, I'm sorry. Is that why you're down right now and I'm not?
Hey, just get
Because he
behind
fucking
something,
chased me
you
and
know.
I was injured.
Hey, fuck.
Matt, I was literally coming up close to try and save you, but holy shit.
Where'd you go? I'm looking.
Rather lose the game than save me. Sounds like Alex.
What?
Hey, yo, wait, who is this? You know, we don't know what perk I brought?
You're fucking kidding me on RPG.
Are you joking?
On RPG.
Damn, 2 people down, 2 more to go. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck. Fuck, on RPG, this is crazy. We're never gonna be able to
It's
find
kind of
each
crazy
other.
that Sean picked RPD, to be honest.
Dude, I fucking should have brought that.
Hey, who's this motherfucker? Okay, look, I'll leave you here for you. I'll leave you here for
No, pick him up.
Pick him up?
Pick him up.
Alright. Picking him.
Nah, it's
One
not.
second hook. Why?
What?
1 second hook.
Oh crap, you're on second. I'll just leave you here then. You can get someone to pick you up. I'll come back later.
Oh, they're healing me
Run
first.
around. You can run, but you can't hide.
No one actually goes full dom when he plays killer.
Literally, holy shit.
This is why Trickster best. Trickster, I'll leave you to Nika though. You can run, but you can't hide. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's the person's down. Wait. Oh crap, everyone's down. I'm kind of slugging here, but like, can someone please revive? Yeah, okay, I'll just let you do whatever, man. Just go save some people. Holy fuck.
Hell yeah.
Get Matt first. Matt's gonna bleed out. Go.
Oh, okay, alright, going for Matt. I got you.
Alright, everyone's up again. Time to start this all over.
Fucking god.
Fuck.
Oh, shit.
You can run, but you can't hide. Hey, yo, what's up? Oh,
Fuck! God
Alright.
damn.
time to track down Matt. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, Alex is back up. I'm back on track.
Where RPG is the worst fucking map for Toadams.
RPD is objectively the best map in the game because of how fun it is. How many times have I run into you though?
Quite a few. At least 3.
At least 3, man.
What do these pallets do? I've just been dropping them all on the ground.
Fuck. Damn, Taniga got down. Someone can go revive you or something.
Boopity boop boop boop.
B.
Oh,
Well,
medkit. Hey, I can heal myself. Don't have to rely on you people.
Oh, someone got rid of my totem.
Huh.
Hey, yo, you can't just get rid of my totem like that, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit! Oh wait, you're really close. I need to pick you up. Just start wiggling off. Have a walk around. Actually, I need knives, so I'm gonna just wait in front of this.
Tanika, wait, come here. Oh shit.
Oh yes, come here. Come here.
No, she didn't want to leave without me. That's rather sweet.
Okay, I'm just gonna like, oh, another person? Fuck me. Matt, please revive all these people.
My best.
Alright, I'm just
God
gonna run away now.
damn.
Bye-bye. Alright, everyone is, no, not everyone's back up. Oh, fuck. Can you guys, okay, look. Oh, okay.
Oh. Shit. Let me out!
Bye, everyone. Escape.
What am I meant to do here?
Holy shit. What the dog doing? Ah!
Like, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Teabagging.
Crawl away. Go.
Dude,
Go
this
away.
fucking looking back at you standing by the raccoon police like sign. Holy fuck.
You're welcome to come in next time.
That is fucking
Right.
terrifying.
Alright, this is what you do. Instead of actually winning,
And
you
then,
win
like, it's
multiple times over.
It slowly pans out.
I don't want to just win. I want to win more than one time in one match. And yeah, that's my review. Oh yeah, by the way, look at my perks.
You motherfucker.
Oh, on the ground.
Oh
People don't
yeah.
like me playing Trickster for some reason.
Yeah, what the fuck?
I don't know why people in chat just go Trickster and then just snooze.
Off the environment twice.
Matt, if you want
Holy
to kill
shit.
yourself, just put on self-care then.
Yeah. Hey everybody, thank you very much for watching the video. And of course a special thanks to Knickknacks, Iguana and Skipper. I wouldn't have been able to make it without you guys and I really appreciate it. Just a little bit of an announcement. I'm going to start trying to stream on Twitch. So if you'd like to catch any of this live or talk to me, then tune in on Wednesday or Friday at 7 PM Australian Eastern Time. We'll be going live there and I'd really appreciate any support or just coming in to say hi. So thank you very much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.